Okay, students, we are going to discuss the angle of contact. Okay, to understand the concept of angle of contact, let us suppose that we have the two containers. Okay, let us suppose that we have this type of two containers. Okay, in one of the container, I have poured some water inside it, and in the another container, that is filled with the mercury. Okay, so that will be the shape. Which will be gained by the water, and that is the shape that will be gained by the mercury. Okay, so we are going to find out the angle of contact. Okay, so what do you understand by the angle of contact? The angle of contact is the angle. It is the angle that is made by the tangent to the surface of a liquid with the plane that is in contact with this liquid. ओके तो जो हमारा एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट होता है वो क्या होता है, जब हम टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं किसी भी लिक्विड सरफेस के ऊपर, ठीक है, और वो जो टेंजेंट है वो जो हमारा प्लेन इसके कांटेक्ट में है और जो सरफेस इसके कांटेक्ट में है उसके साथ जो वो एंगल बनाएगा ना, उस एंगल को बोलेंगे हम एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट. सो इट इज द एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट in the first case, so it is the angle of contact in the second case we have. Okay, and I have told you that there are the two types of liquid we have. The first type of liquid that can wet the container or that can wet the surface that is in contact with this liquid, and another type of liquid we have that cannot or that will not wet the surface that is in contact with this liquid. Okay, and there is a condition for that. Whenever the angle, whenever this theta is less than 90 degree, okay, whenever the theta is less than 90 degree, then the liquid will be of first type, okay, or first kind you can say. Or the liquid or the theta that will be less than 90 degree will wet the surface that is in contact with this liquid. Okay, तो जो लिक्विड होगा जिसका एंगल 90 डिग्री से कम होगा तो वो क्या करेगा, वो जो सरफेस इसके कांटेक्ट में है उसको वेट कर देगा. ओके, एंड द कंडीशन whenever the theta is greater than जो हमारा ये थीटा है, जब वो ग्रेटर हो जाएगा किससे, ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री, देन इट विल नॉट वेट द सरफेस. ओके, एंड इट इज द कंडीशन फॉर द सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ लिक्विड वी हैव. सो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ liquid the angle will always be greater than 90 degree. Okay, and for an example, the angle of contact between mercury and glass is about 140 degree. Okay, so in this condition it will not wet the surface. Okay, thanks for watching the video.